டே 3 நேத்திக்கு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, சாமுண்டீஸ்வரி கோவில் போனேன். அப்போ வந்து என் ஃபோன்லேயும் சரி, என்னோட கோப்ரோலையுமே வந்து இது காலி ஆயிடுச்சு, பேட்டரி காலி ஆயிடுச்சு. அதனால் சாமுண்டீஸ்வரி கோவில கவர் பண்ண முடியல. பட் நல்லாயிருக்கு, கோவில் நல்லாயிருக்கு. நீங்கள் போய் பார்க்கலாம். நான் ஏதாவது ஃபோட்டோஸ் நான் நெட்லேருந்து எடுத்து உங்களுக்கு அனுப்பி விட்றேன். இல்லை நீங்களே போயிட்டு நெட்டில் பாருங்கள், நல்லாயிருக்கு. ஸோ கிளம்பலாம். கொஞ்சம் ரொம்ப டயர்டாக இருக்குது. என்னோடய ஃபேஸை பார்த்தாலே உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்சிருக்கும். நினைக்கிறேன் டயர்டாக இருக்குது. நம்ம கிளம்பலாம். போகும்போது பார்க்கலாம் என்ன பண்ணுறதுன்ட்டு.
And water gate is there, it's a secret gate. So that I will explain you, don't worry. We don't charge you more.
Okay.
As you wish you can give. We'll happy with that.
Okay.
Old man, please come. We don't... Sir, I am working last 38 years in Watergate.
Okay.
I am helping to tourism.
Okay.
Please.
Can
My leg is not proper, that's the problem.
Then I have to
monument first.
Yeah, okay.
Still, I am 68 years disabled. Still, I am working.
Okay.
Kanyakumari man had come.
Okay.
Like, but we'll help all the tourism.
Okay.
Go to that summer palace also. And do you have online payment in your mobile?
Yeah.
Well, then good.
Okay.
Then they will allow. Earlier they were giving tickets, now they are not giving. It's an online payment.
Okay.
Sorry to trouble you.
No problem. But actually I don't have a liquid cash now. That's what I'm just thinking of it.
But how can you give?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking of it.
ATM will be there.
I just having some 10s and 20s only.
Madam?
I just having only 10s and 20s. What will be your minimum requirement?
No, I don't demand.
Yeah, you don't demand, but what will be your expectations will be?
Just I'll take 100 rupees.
100 rupees.
To 8 places, 8 to 9 places.
Okay, I'll just provide you by taking from ATM.
Okay. But only the problem is this, my leg problem.
No problem, no problem.
Don't worry, I am there for you. From Tamil Nadu, which place?
Chennai, Madras.
Madras. But I am giving trouble to you.
No problem. Just helping
by
me.
seeing only, you can come to know how the old man Gopal is good or not. You can come to understand.
Yeah.
Can you able to manage?
Yeah.
Sorry. We'll go to monument first.
Yeah, okay.
Can I sit?
Yeah.
This is the temple.
Okay.
This will be 3 temples. This is Adiranga and Madharanga in Kolegal and Tirchi Srirangam.
Okay.
3 everywhere Sri Krishna or Sriranga, Vishnu, he was sleeping.
Okay.
And this is the 1118 years temple.
Okay.
This is the first, second is in Kolegal and third is in Tirchi Srirangam.
Okay.
Please come.
Okay.
Bailey Dungeon, Water Gate or Tippu Jail.
What is the water jail?
Water Jail, Bailey Dungeon or Tippu Jail, one and the same. If you go if you go inside, you will find the stones.
Okay.
And falls will be there. British people will be tied up like this.
Okay.
And he will leave the waters.
Okay.
Tipu Sultan soldiers. They can't breathe, they can't swim, they will die.
Okay.
Then there will be one small manhole. Earlier it was a big from there body will go south.
Okay.
If it goes out, that will be biryani to crocodiles.
Okay.
Likewise, it is there. It's not important. We'll go to that side, Summer Palace.
Yeah,
It
okay.
will be good.
Okay.
There you get entire picture of what I am saying. You'll get a clear picture over there.
Yeah, okay, okay.
Please, we'll go to Washington.
Okay. எல்லாருக்குமே புரிஞ்சிருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். இங்கிலீஷ் தான் பேசியிருந்தாரு. இல்லைன்னா ஒரு இடத்துல சொல்லிடுறேன். அவங்க அந்த இதில் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஓகே எல்லாருக்கும் புரியும். இவருக்கு வந்து ஒரு 300 ரூபா கொடுக்கலான்னு பார்க்குறேன்.
From YouTube, they had been taken my interviews.
Yeah, just recording for YouTube also.
Okay, okay. Ladies also will come.
Oh,
They were taking in the YouTube. They are recording from my side.
okay. That's great.
Yeah, no, I am doing my level best
Yeah.
in this age.
What is this?
I'll tell you. Wait.
Yeah.
This has been mentioned by delegate. It doesn't mean that Delhi people doesn't come or Delhi doesn't come. Delhi regiment, British people.
Oh,
That time they were keeping Delhi regiment, Assam Rifles, Punjab, like that they were keeping. The same thing was being continuing in our army also.
okay.
The same regiments.
Oh,
Whatever they had been kept, British people,
Oh.
the same thing was being coming under Madras regiments,
oh.
like that.
Okay, okay.
Same thing. At last, the Delhi regiment also, they entered from here.
Okay.
Nearly 40,000 British people entered inside the Srirangapatna and collapsed.
Okay. லைட்டாக புரிஞ்ச மாதிரி இருக்குது, புரியாத மாதிரியே இருக்குது.
This is the armory house.
Armory house means?
Armory house means where they will storage all weapons.
Yeah, okay. Armor. Okay, okay.
Okay, armory house,
Oh.
because my language
Yeah,
is
okay, okay. I understand.
because I don't have teeth.
Yeah.
So, if war took place over here,
Oh,
they will take all the weapons from here only.
okay.
There is no necessity to go to the palace to bring
Okay.
for bullet or whatever bombs, whatever is there. Like this, 8 to 10 places are there, sir.
Okay, okay.
All the around 5,000 acres, 10 places, armory houses are there.
Okay.
Storage point.
Okay, okay. I understand. So these are the holes for Birangi, that tunnels, gun points.
I'll show you.
Tunnels,
These
canals.
are all 5,000 acres of fort. This is the end of the fort.
Okay,
And here beside you will find this trench or moat.
okay.
In this he was keeping crocodiles.
Okay.
If anybody comes inside, they have to fight with the crocodiles. If they can climb Udambu, if they come inside, then they will be shot by Tipu Sultan soldiers. Gun points are there.
Okay, okay.
Every half of meter there will be a gun point.
Okay, okay. Yeah, you can see this.
Actually, nobody will show this point.
Oh,
Only jail they will end.
yeah, okay.
But as you are a lucky man, that I brought you over here. In your houses where you are keeping big TVs,
Yeah, okay.
LED TV,
Oh,
like that it will be open.
okay.
If British people or any enemies, nobody is there. If they feel and they come, they have to fight with the crocodiles. If they enter, Tipu Sultan soldiers will be inside.
Okay,
There will be the gun point. You see there. That's what I brought you over here.
okay, okay.
From there, they can see up to that coconut trees.
Okay, okay. It's a strategy.
Hole is there. That's all gun points. Inside they will be there like military. They will shoot out.
Okay. Where is this Tipu Sultan's sword?
Sword is in Delhi.
Okay.
Other iron swords and everything you will find in the museum.
Okay.
I'll take over there.
Okay, okay.
Original golden sword brought by Vijay Mallya, and it was been kept in Delhi Museum.
Okay.
One who will carry Tipu Sultan's sword, they will destroy. Likewise, Vijay Mallya also gone bankrupt and went to England.
Yeah.
Likewise, Sanjay Khan, he likes to made a Tipu Sultan's tele picture. That also it has been burnt. That studio, premier studio in Mysore, and he also made total plastic surgery, and he had been suffered a lot.
Okay, okay.
That will be the North Kaveri.
Ah, okay.
This will be the South Kaveri.
Oh, okay.
This side it will go to Mysore.
Ah,
This side you will go to your Madras,
Oh.
Chennai, Bangalore.
okay,
This
okay.
side.
Ah, ah. யாரும் பர்த்டே எல்லாம் செலிப்ரேட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க போல.
This is the secret meeting place of Tipu Sultan.
ஓகே.
Tomorrow, where he has to go for the war, he was making meeting over here with his officials.
ஓகே.
If he can make discussions in the city or in the fort, British people, they will leak out the messages. So that he was coming over here, and along with his seniors, he was discussing tomorrow where we had to go for the war.
ஓகே.
If in the last, that will be the Brindavan Gardens.
Ah, yeah, I just saw Brindavan Garden.
Yes. From there, water will comes lonely, then it will divide.
Okay.
And that will be, again, it will goes to Metru Dam, Tamil Nadu. This will be again covered, it's, so that it's an island. That side also water, and this side also. We are in the center.
Okay.
These are all the British people, one who had been killed by Tipu Sultan.
Okay.
Whatever is there, 23 people killed and 53 wounded and 4 missing.
Okay.
Missing in the sense, while climbing, they had been missed and they become a biryani to crocodiles.
Okay.
Even legs was not there, or death was took place. Everything was being given to crocodiles.
Okay.
It's a biryani to crocodiles.
Okay,
No
okay.
British people samadhi is not here.
Okay.
Come this way. These are all native troops. Native troops in the sense, one who will come with the, what you say, small dhoni. What you say in that, in the river, they will... very good. Nange sudden boats.
Okay.
If they are coming inside, they also been killed over here.
Okay. இதெல்லாம் அவங்களோட கணக்கு போல.
1907, government of Mysore took off this Srirangapatna again months back. Then they made a tomb, this monument.
Okay.
All the details of British people are over here.
Okay.
Sir, here Tipu Sultan likes French people.
Okay.
But European people helped British people. Likewise, French and British, they are always against.
Okay.
That also a grudge of British people to fight against Tipu Sultan. These are all European people.
Okay. Owen Matter, Shaw Hill, Farquhar.
Took away golden sword, whatever valuable, everything they took away from here to England.
Okay.
And when war is there, Tipu Sultan was being here. When war is not there, he was taking rest in Summer Palace, where we are going to museum.
Okay.
Take right side.
Yeah. This right.
Yes, sir.
I just have one question.
Tell me.
Tipu Sultan is a Muslim,
Yeah.
but he is keeping a Hindu temple in his fort.
I did. This is the Tipu Sultan's original palace. This will be called as Lal Mahal Palace.
Okay.
and he was been staying over here. Even his father Hyder Ali, you can take some side. He was staying when war is there. He was been staying over here.
Okay.
When war is not there, he was staying in summer palace in summer time. And this is the everything was being demolished by Lord Wellesley and Harris.
Okay.
They took away all the valuables from here to England.
Okay. Okay.
Your question I will answer you. Don't worry. Tipu Sultan empire, what he only 230 years.
Okay.
But whereas these temples held all 1118 years.
This way or, but I just gone to one place
Yeah.
in I think so Pudukottai, I feel.
Yeah.
There is also one Muslim emperor who lived. He just took the temples and just relocated away from his fort.
Right.
So I don't know why.
Civilian days once upon a time.
Which one? This one? Okay.
Now they are given to the scavengers.
Okay.
Cleaning, they made it room.
Okay.
Now it has been transferred to Mandya district. Tell you.
So I don't know why this side. I'm just curious to ask why temple is inside that, because there also a Muslim emperor only, but he relocated the temple to another place, but he didn't do why. I don't know. I want to know why. Why he didn't relocate the temple? Is he really interested in Hindu tradition or Hindu any following?
Yes, sir. That will be depend upon their traditional.
Okay.
This is the water gate where I had to come and sit.
Okay.
It is not a water gate. Please keep it in mind. It's a secret gate.
Okay. What is a secret gate means? It's like a tunnel.
Sir, I'll tell you. Please come and park.
Yeah.
Park here.
Yeah, I'll just park.